Today, I'm teaching you guys can share a TikTok video on your Facebook story. You cannot share a video directly on your story. Need to do some things. So first, after you see a TikTok video, you want to click on the share button, which is going to be at the bottom right of your screen. The little arrow pointing thingy. Once you click on it, you can see the option called Facebook. Click on it. Once you do this, this TikTok video will open up on your Facebook, like this, automatically. But first, what you want to do is at the top. It's on public. Click on public and click on only me. Once you choose only me, click on done. Now what I have done is made this post private. So even if I post it on my Facebook only, I can see it. So now what I want to do is click on post. If I click on post, this TikTok will be posted on my timeline. But since it's private, only I can see it now. What I need to do is click on menu at the bottom right. Click on my profile picture at the top left. And once I'm in my profile, I can scroll a bit down, and the video, which I just shared, is going to be over here. Now what I can do is click on share again, and this time, choose your story at the bottom right now. This TikTok video is going to appear on my story, and I can zoom in, zoom out, do anything I want, and I can click on share, and this TikTok video will be shared on my Facebook story, just like this. And anybody can just click on it. Click on view site. It'll take them to TikTok. They can watch this video. So that's how we guys can share TikTok videos and Facebook story. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.